Hey everyone, so in iTunes Store it now says that your pre-order of Truth Social is now available. Your pre-order Truth Social by Team Media Tech LLC is now available. If you have set your iTunes preference to automatically download pre-purchased content, this item may already be in your library. This item is already available on any computer or devices to which you have enabled automatic downloads. If you have not enabled automatic downloads, you can download this item now from your purchased page. So let's just go here to the App Store. And now it just sends me this notification. And then I can just go to my account and I can see basically that this app was already downloaded for me. So there you have it. So that's the app. So now you can just open it up and it should be available. The app size is just 10 megabytes, and as you can see, it was released like 9 hours ago or something. So there you have it. Hope this is helpful. And now, of course, you can just open the app and then you can just create an account.